We're not going to be the low-cost leader. That's not our focus. But certainly we have to be competitive. And certainly you can't be competitive by having high labor rates.
So how do you compete when you have that much overhead compared to other countries? Well, one of those ways is you don't use your fingers to make all those things. One of the guiding principles that keeps us on track here is this, and that is that we don't use people as robots. We give people robots to use. We're not laying people off because we're automating. We're hiring people because we're automating and we're becoming more effective. So that using robots to do repetitive tasks instead of fingers to do repetitive tasks is something that gives us a great advantage over other companies that are using fingers. And that's the beauty of automation. Automation can be, you got a lot of processes that are going on and they're doing it perfectly and they're doing it fast and they're doing it efficient and they're doing it exactly the way it should do, part after part after part. And the operator doesn't have to do all those repetitive things. The operator can say, you look at the big picture, yep, I can feed you some more, I can take those, yep, they look good. And the operator can accomplish so much more and not get worn out, but still have a great job.